Hi, welcome back to another Peppi tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do ombre using chunky glitter. My name is Sherlyn, and let's get started. Alright, so for this ombre look, I'm going to use these three colors. Well, two colors. I'm going to use kiwi. This is the chunky glitter. I'm going to use mischievous. And you're just going to need clear. You're also going to need your Peppi brush. You're going to need the big one and the small one. The small one's for ombreing the chunky glitter. You're going to need your number 1, your cuticle pusher, and a toothpick. Alright, let's get started. So to start, we're going to start with our base color. So in this case, I'm using mischievous. So you just want to make sure. Stir that powder. Okay. Grab your number 1. And for the first dip, you're just going to cover 3/4 of the nail. And dip it in your base color. Okay. Same thing for this finger. Go 3/4 of the way. And dip. Okay, now you just want to brush off any excess powder. And I'm actually going to do the second dip just as the base color again before I do the chunky glitter. So this time you're going to go all the way to the cuticle line. Okay, then dip your nail. Okay. Dip your nail. Alright. Brush off any excess. Okay, now we're going to get started with the chunky glitter. Okay, so to start, you're going to put number 1 all over your nail, all the way to the cuticle line. And we're going to do a sideway ombre. So I'm going to show you how. We're going to grab our smaller brush. You're going to grab the chunky glitter with that smaller brush. And depending on where you want the glitter, you're going to face your nail down from where you want it. So I want it on this side, so I'm facing it down. And just tap on the brush to let fall on your nail. And you can kind of face it up a little bit to get it more where you want. And with chunky glitter, you can kind of move around like the chunky glitter where you want them to be placed. So just keep tapping until you reach your desired look. Okay. Alright. Okay, so once you got everything where you want it, now you're gonna grab your base color. And then you're gonna also tap that onto the other side just to cover everything else. So I don't like to dip this in the base color just because you don't want that glitter to get mixed in with your base color. That's why I just like to tap it on as well. Just let that sit. We'll move on to the next nail. Same thing. Put number 1 all over it. then for this one, I'll do the ombre glitter on the other side. So pick up my glitter, sprinkle it on. Good thing with glitter with ombreing is it can't really look too messy. Like the glitter, just where it falls looks really nice how it falls. It always looks like an ombre, just like a rainfall almost. I think working with glitter as ombre is one of the easier ones. And just gives you such an elegant, unique look every time. So let's see. Try to cover the entire side. Okay. Once you got that, grab your base color again. So you can either use the brush to sprinkle it on, or I also sometimes grab my cuticle pusher and pick up the color and tap it on. So either way works, whatever process you prefer. Tap off excess. And then you can grab your toothpick and clean around the cuticle lines. Okay. Once all that is good, you just brush off the excess powder. And then you want to you want to dip clear over this. So we're just gonna do number 1 again. And this ensures that the chunky glitter doesn't get filed down and that they're not all standing up when you apply your number 3. So go ahead and apply clear. Okay. All right. And just clean up around the cuticles again. All right, and that is it. So you just apply your number 2 after this, wait the 2 minutes, buff, wait another 2 minutes, and do your number 3, and you're all set. This is how you do your ombre glitter. My name is Sherlyn, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!